Welcome to another episode of Tech, along with Chai.
On the opposite of this hotel, there's another hotel. It might be 100 meters in between us, and there's three guys. I think they know each other. I'm gonna film how I try to make contact with someone in my desperate times. I'm keen to interact with anyone, like. I didn't realize, but I woke up my neighbor, Jason. Yeah, look at that. We're all socializing here, aren't we? Couldn't really hear what the American dude was saying. A few days later, I heard a French accent in the hallway. Let's have a look who it is. Hi. Sorry.
Hey? We go outside.
Cannot do this.
I have a question, please.
I'm thinking I'm the entertainer here, but turns out that Tooth is a magician and he's gonna show us a card trick.
Check, the problem is you must take one. Ooh. Understand?
I don't know if...
I'll take one.
Look.
I'll take one.
Yeah. The magic trick of the day. It's actually happening, guys.
Tell me stop when you want.
Stop.
Tell me one number, please.
One number?
Yes.
Number 5.
And you tell me one number.
7.
Wait. 1, 2.
Okay, let's have a look.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah. Don't worry, I'm not gonna show you the whole trick because it will take a few minutes, but I can assure you he shuffled it over and over again.
Stop.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks as good as any.
Look, like this.
Yeah.
Put here. You want 20 or you want to change?
We want to change, no?
You want to change?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're sure.
Okay.
18, 19. You tell me 20.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Okay.
I hear you playing football.
Oh yeah.
But I don't care, like.
I can hear your telly though when
You can?
Yeah, the walls basically.
Yeah. Wait a sec, do you know them?
Eh?
Do you know them?
Yeah, my wife.
Is it? Oh wow. Ah, that's so cool, your wife is there.
Yeah, she's up.
Where they stay?
They stay in Bangkok. They got an apartment in Bangkok.
Oh yeah. That's amazing. His wife is just picking him up. He's got another 2 days to go. American guy, he arrived after him. But in April they changed the law that you only have to quarantine for 10 days now. So he arrived the day before April and he has to stay 14 days as this guy just left this morning. So I expected him to go already. Oh my god, it's raining. Freedom, eh?
I'm going upstairs.
Cheers, mate!
Look at this.
Woohoo! Free man! Freedom! This is as far as social it gets in a quarantine hotel. Let's show you in the next video what the day-to-day routine in this quarantine hotel looks like. We just started our 6-month journey. We're gonna buy a motorbike, check out the nightlife, taste the food, explore the culture, do some silly stuff, visit volcanoes. We're gonna try to find the most beautiful ladyboy. Being crazy, visit the most beautiful places in Thailand, seeing how other backpackers are doing. We're going to check out how Thailand is coping with the pandemic. But most of all, we are going to do the things that you are telling me to do in the comment section. This is a free channel, so you can subscribe for free if you didn't do this yet. Bye for now, stay champ.